So another quick tip if you are doing a flip home or a major renovation, and that is to take the time to talk to your lender or your accountant about any financial implications that you might have, good or bad, as a result of the project. So if you are, living in the home and you do a big project like this, you may want to talk to your lender, and you may have a lot of equity in your home that you didn't have previous to doing the big project. You could possibly refinance and, take that significant chunk of change and use it for something else. Maybe you pay off something else you've got in life, a car, or go on vacation, or maybe you'd use that money just to do another update. But either way, I strongly recommend talking to a lender just to get a feel. Maybe you just want an appraisal so that you have, documented that equity in your home. Either way, just talk to them. It will be worthwhile. So the other thing I want to mention is that you should talk to your accountant. So, and this is especially if you're going to sell the home that you are doing the updates to, because there are major tax implications in some situations when you make money on homes, and sometimes you need to reinvest it right away, or if you don't reinvest it, there may be a huge surprise at the end of the year when they do your taxes and you have to pay taxes on all of that income. So a little upfront homework with your lenders and accountants can go a long way.